Nice prayer from the mosque. So here?
Yeah.
I'm getting a lot of wind on our microphone. Wow, look how cute all these flowers. So loud, so echoey here, yeah? You can hear the prayer. So beautiful. Feels so different to walk here while the prayer is on. These walls are like over a few hundred years old.
You see the door? Very high door.
To enter with a horse.
I told you that before. Why is that?
Yeah, to enter with a horse.
Yes. With your horse. You go. These hills only you can climb with horse, you know?
Yeah. So people live here right now, right? In these houses?
Most of it. Some of them like this. Nice one.
Yeah, that's a beautiful one. Number 28.
They have beautiful sea view on the front and garden.
Yeah, I just showed the sea view. Yeah, that's true. These are nice houses. Wait, is this the one that we visited?
Yes, we went inside. It was open.
Yeah, one time he let us inside. We have a video somewhere. And he has like the best view ever of the Kuşadası Bay. It's just so nice.
This is dead end. But for sure outside is not dead at all. Oh, there is one turn there.
Okay, let's go see. Heather says, miss Kuşadası. Yeah, so when we were outside of Kuşadası, even for 7 days away, you already start feeling the
Wow, baby.
the wish to come back.
You see top of Kervansaray from here and
Yeah.
sea view.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the name of this street? Çetin Sokak.
Çetin Sokak. Look.
Oh,
You see Kervansaray?
yeah, and I see the color of the water so beautiful today.
Yeah.
Put a like if you like this color of the water. It's very, very nice. AMG says hello from Kuwait. Yenur says arkadaki bizim. Oh.
Arkadaki, you mean here?
Yeah, so I guess this is his area.
His house?
Yeah, let's go somewhere there.
Oh, he has some fruit trees there blossoming inside. This is go down. You want to go a little bit?
Yeah, let's go. Picking up a lot of wind.
Wow, this is windy here.
Uh-huh.
We can make left here, let's see.
All right, let's go left. Rob says, I feel like I need to take a walk around there with my camera. Yeah, these are nice street photos, that's true. If you're a photographer, definitely
It's dead end there.
something to explore. Because like the shots with some sea view in there and also like old street, this is just such nice view. Like all these unique. I'm picking up a lot of wind on your mic.
Oh, some old house here.
Oh, interesting. These are begonias, I think.
But this road goes straight down, baby.
Hello from Lithuania, Kaunas. Oh, laba diena. Somebody from my country. Yeah, very nice. Valerie, hello. Nice to see you again. You are our favorite fan. Yeah, you always come and watch our videos. We'd love to see you and meet you one day for coffee.
Come.
Yeah? Okay, I'm coming. So these rocks like in the wall, like how old are they? Like 400 years old? I can't believe people still use them as like houses.
Can you take some pictures from here?
Oh, wow. Rob, you said you want to come and take some pictures? Well, there you go. Beautiful photos. That's what Mustafa is doing. Definitely worth it to come out and explore here. But you have to be fit for hiking, definitely. And don't bring high heels. There's gonna be a lot of stairs, a lot of climbing up and down, little streets, very steep stairs. They're not like equal size.
Merhaba.